I'm going to show you guys exactly the download, so let's get right into the video. This is totally updated, guys. It's time to try this method out for yourself, so let's go. Hey, my crew. So today I'm going to show you how to get a Mech Arena hack. So this is for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, I'm pretty broke, but if I press this button, I can add free coins. So I'm going to do that right here, and let's see if the coins go up. So as you can see, this is the current amount that I have. So let's see if it starts increasing or not. So let's see. No increase, but it might come up, so let's see what happens, and we should be rich. Oh, there it goes. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Let's get straight into the video. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So type Mech Arena, press install. Before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, so you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's fully updated, guys, so you can enjoy it right away. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, try it out for yourself because this actually works. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, alright, so anyway, now it's going to take us to the next step. So you can see it says missing files, so we just have to download like 2 of these apps. You can see like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. You know, Casino, whatever, there's tons of these, guys, so make sure you download 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how I get it for your device. So this fully works, guys. It's super awesome, and no jailbreak is needed for this method. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out. This is so awesome, and it's updated and everything, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it.